This is a quick overview of forums in Moodle, and there are 5 types of forums available in Moodle right now. They are the standard forum for general use, which is the default type of forum, the standard forum displayed in a blog-like format. Each person posts one discussion, a single simple discussion, and a Q&A forum. Technically there is a 6th forum, which is the announcements forum, but we won't be covering that in this video. The standard forum for general use is a pretty standard forum. Anyone in the class can start or reply to discussions, and discussions are listed in a table that the users click to view. It looks something sort of like this. The standard forum displayed in a blog-like format is very similar. Anyone in the class can start or reply to those discussions, but instead of a traditional table view, the first post of each discussion is visible, so the users would then click in to view. It's more of a preview for the post. Each person posts one discussion. This is a forum where anyone in the class can start or reply to discussions, but each person is limited to just one new discussion. This is exactly the same as the standard forum for general use, but again, it just limits the students to only starting one discussion instead of as many as they want. A single simple discussion is a single simple discussion. It only lets the instructor start a discussion, but the students can reply to it. This is great if you want the students to focus in on one particular discussion topic. The 5th type is the Q&A or question and answer forum. In this forum, the instructor posts questions. The students cannot post questions or new discussion posts, but they can reply to the questions that the instructor poses. The students also can't see replies from other students until they post a reply themselves, which some instructors really like because it encourages the students to be a bit more creative with their responses than they traditionally might be if they can see what other people have said before they post their own. Now, one caveat to this is that Moodle does enforce a 30-minute time delay for posts in forums. What that means is when students post something new in a forum, they have 30 minutes to go back and edit that post before it changes. What this means in a Q&A forum is that for the students to see the other posts, they'll have to wait for that 30-minute time period to expire. This is something that you should communicate with them. So again, these are the 5 Moodle forum types. Please feel welcome to watch this video again as many times as you need to cover each one and what it does.